Hello students, welcome to Jupiter's Online Academy. So in our last class, in this self-practice, we completed up to 16th questions. Now we will start from 17th. See, in question number 17, first option, outside we have how many sides count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Outside we have 5 sides. Inside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. Inside is 6 sides, outside is 5 sides. So in option 2, outside 1, 2, 3, 4. Outside is 4 sides, inside 1, 2, 3. Inside 3 sides. In option 3, outside 1, 2, 3. Outside is 3 sides, inside 1, 2, 3, 4. Inside 4 sides. In option 4, outside 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides we have. Inside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. So if you observe carefully, in this option 1, outside is how many? Yeah, 5 sides. Inside 5 plus 1, 6 sides. Okay. In option 3, outside is 3 sides. Inside 3 plus 1, 4 sides. Next in option 4, outside is 4 sides. Inside we have 4 plus 1, 5 sides. But in case of option 2, outside is 4 sides. Inside 4 minus 1, 3 sides. So in option 1, option 3, option 4. To get inside figure, we are adding plus 1 to outside figure. So, but in case of option 2, we are subtracting here. So, option 2 is our answer. Next, question number 18. In this question number 18, we have to count the number of lines. So, in option 1, we have 1 line. In option 2, 1, 2, 3. 3 lines. In option 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines. In option 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines. So, if you observe students, in option 1, option 2, option 4, we are having odd number of lines. Okay. But in case of option 3, we are having even number of lines. So, option 3 is our answer. Next, question number 19. Okay, in this, observe carefully. A, E, I. We know already. I will write here. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are vowels. Remaining all letters are consonants. So, option 1, option 2, option 3 are vowels, but option 4 is a consonant. So, option 4 is the answer. Next, coming to question number 20. See, it is very easy, students. Option 1, option 2, option 3 are the symbols that we use in mathematics, but in case of option 4, it is a letter. So, option 4 is the answer. Next, question number 21. In option 1, we have 2 circles. In option 2 also we have 2 circles. In option 3 also we have 2 circles. But in case of option 4, we have 1, 2, 3. See, 3 circles. So, option 1, option 2, option 3 are similar, means we have 2 circles. But in case of option 4, we have 3 circles, means this is the answer. Next, coming to question number 22. In option 1, see, we have this line near to this border. And in option 2 also we have this line near to this border. So, in option 3 also we have this line near to this border. But in case of option 4, we have this line inside the figure. So, option 1, option 2, option 3 are similar, means this line is closer or nearer to this border, but in case of option 4, it is not nearer, it is in the middle. So, option 4 is the answer. Next, question number 23. In option 1, these two shaded small dots are opposite sides, means one dot is this side and another dot is this side. In between these two dots, we have one line. In option 2, we have two small shaded dots, one side only. See, one side only we have here. In option 3, two shaded dots, one side each other. And in option 4 also, we have two shaded dots, one side each other. So, in option 1, option 3, option 4 are similar, but option 2 is different. So, option 2 is our answer. Next question number 24, first option. See, we have two cross symbols and two circle symbols. Means same. In option 2, 1, 2, 3. Three cross symbols and 1, 2, 3. Three circle. Means option 2 also same. In option 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Four cross symbols. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four circles. Means option 4 is also same. But in case of option 3, see, observe carefully. 1, 2, 3. We have three crosses and 1, 2, 3, 4. Four circles. Means not similar. It is different. So option 1, option 2, option 4 have different, same crosses and circles, but in option 3 we have different crosses and different number of circles. So option 3 is our answer. Next, question number 25. See, in this question number 25, option 2, option 3, option 4 are letters F, V, L. But in case of option 1, it is a figure. Means option 1 is our answer. 26th question. See, consider this figure, students. Let us assume this is outside and this is inside. Okay, understand carefully. So in this first option, this arrow we have inside. So it is inside, and in second option, this is outside we consider, right? So this is outside. Outside. Okay. In third option also it is outside, and in fourth option also it is outside. So in option 2, option 3, option 4, this line we have outside, but in case of option 1 we have inside. So option 1 is our answer. Next, coming to question number 27. See, in first option this figure is made by lines. In second option also this figure is made by lines. In fourth option also this figure is made by lines. But in case of option 3 it is made by curved shape. So option 1, option 2, option 4 are similar, then option 3 is a different one. So option 3 is our answer. Next, question number 28. See, in first option, observe this figure carefully. It is towards this direction, and again same figure opposite direction. So in option 2, this figure in this direction and same figure again opposite direction. Okay, next in option 4, this figure showing upwards means in this direction, and again same figure opposite direction means first one in this direction, then in this. Next in option 2 also first showing upwards, then downwards, then in option 4 upwards and downwards. But in case of option 3, these two figures are same direction means downwards direction. So option 1, option 2, option 4 are in opposite direction, but in case of option 3 it is in the same direction. So option 3 is our answer. Next, question number 29. In option 1, see how many sides we have count? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cross symbols means same number of sides and cross symbols. In option 2, 1, 2, 3. 3 sides we have, and 1, 2, 3. 3 cross symbols we have means same number of sides and same number of cross symbols we have. In option 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides we have, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cross symbols we have means same number of sides and same number of cross symbols we have. Next, in option 3, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have 6 sides. What about cross symbols? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cross symbols we have means these two are not similar. So option 1, option 2, option 4 we have same number of sides and same number of cross symbols, but in case of option 3 it is different. So option 3 is our answer. Next, question number 30. See, observe carefully, students. In first option we have this small dot in this part, and this arrow is pointing towards in this same direction. Okay. Next, in option 2 we have this small dot in this part, and this pointer is showing in this same direction. Okay. Next, In option 4 we have the small dot in this part, means in this area, and this pointer is showing in the same direction. But in case of option 3 we have this small dot in this figure, means in this part, but this part is showing, means this arrow is showing in other direction. So option 1, option 2, option 4 are similar comparing with the option 3. So option 3 is our answer because it is showing in other direction. In all other options it is showing in the same direction which we have this small dot in this part. Okay, so option 3 is our answer. We stop this class here. Next we will be continuing in the next class. Thank you.